side button. It's model O. .502. So welcome to another video, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a stealth Model O wireless. This is going to be for when you want to game at night time. You're going to game in a room where people don't like hear clicking of the mice switches. I'm going to show you today how to do that using Kailh silent switches. It takes a little bit of customization because these are not designed for mice. But with a bit of work we can change out the side buttons, the mains, and also the scroll wheel. So let's get this done. This was also done during a stream on Twitch, so if you want to follow me on there, go check me out, Bearded Bob. Plenty of stuff going on there in the week if you want to catch this live and see what kind of magic we can make.
What is this place?
Yeah, looks like Team Stop, which is okay. Quite like this encoder, it's not bad. This is the problem one. Because it's raised on a block, you see it? We'll have to see. That one might have to stay stock. Make sure I trap this gently without destroying it. To the 12th today. Well, it's 12th in the UK, but obviously a different time zone, so. Medium ice of small PCBs, yeah. Can I keep the weight down? Just got to make sure the distribution's okay, that's all. Traditional cup of tea. It has this little extra piece and also a longer pin, you see it? It's like go down it. So you can't get the plastic off when it's a bit hot. It's a bit easier to get off this way. I'm not put a silent one on this part, so it's a bit of a new one, a bit of whirl. You can't actually fit a normal switch in this slot, it's a little bit tricky to get right, but it is possible. A little bit different. You can see it just has like a little bit of a pin, which we should just be able to catch. You can just see them there. What we need to check is the scroll wheel still works. Basically just checking the height. Oops. Yep. To me says we should be good. Hold it. So I'm just using aluminium, which I've got hanging around. Probably insulation tape's better. Kind of going to hold it. It's not the prettiest. enough just to catch one of the pins, we'll be happy. We should just have caught the pin, this middle. All going well. Okay, so it looks like so far. Just got to solder the bottom pins, but you can see I've got one of them in. Don't know why the pins are always a little bit funny. So I can't do it like that. I'll show that way up a bit easier. Okay. Now we've got a silent scroll wheel on, it's pretty cool. Now let's go to the sides. So what I'm going to try and do is cut the pins. Let's keep them pretty high on this one. I have to glue that switch on like that basically. So they're not as deep. Yeah, so we've got to take off this upper part of this one. So I'm using a Loctite one. I do have this one, but the lid's glued on. So I have to heat it up using this, which we might do. Whoops. Right, that nicely in place. Never the prettiest on the back of these switches, but you get the idea. Cut the pins, you reattach the switches to it. Might as well do the DPI over. Just check it lines up right. So we find I've done it totally wrong. Can't actually tell. Probably a little bit close, I think. As in like too close to their main button. See my problem. You can see the profile of the switch that was on there and how much more the silents stick out. So we have to trim these and bring them back, basically. Which not as easy as you think. Just got to put it back together. Check this is now properly in. Finally, I'll leave the pins in case you ever want to put ones back in, I guess. You have to do the same mod if you want to change it to Kailh's, because that longer and switches are slightly turned sideways on the for some reason in this. There we go. You can't even hear it. Show the difference of a switch here. You probably just about hear that, but you can't hear. Silent. I have to trim off all this foam malarkey. Trying to remember how to mount the battery. Model out, G502, model out right, maybe a little bit of tapping you can hear. 502, side button, it's model out. 502. Press on that screw out. That's quite a scroll wheel on this one. Stop. Model out. Make it see back in 10 minutes. No, it's quick. We've now made the stealth modeler.